Welcome to an exploration of the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Today we're going to break down the 4 types of AI. Understanding these categories is crucial to grasping the different capabilities and potential futures of artificial intelligence. The biggest takeaway today is that not all AI is created equal. They operate on very different principles. The 4 core concepts, or types, of AI range from basic pattern recognition to hypothetical consciousness, reactive, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-awareness. Starting with Type 1, reactive machines. This is the most basic form of AI. Reactive machines respond only to the current input. They cannot use past experiences to inform future actions. They simply perceive the world directly and act on it. A prime example is Deep Blue, the chess engine that defeated Garry Kasparov. It sees the current board state and chooses the best move, without remembering any previous games. Next, we have Type 2, limited memory AI. These systems are a significant step up from reactive machines. Limited memory AI uses recently gathered data to make decisions. It's temporary, short-term memory that provides context for its next action. Think of self-driving cars. They observe the speed and direction of nearby cars, but that information is only retained for a short time to help them navigate the immediate future. Moving into the future of AI, we reach Type 3, theory of mind. This AI is not yet fully realized. Theory of mind A. I would be capable of understanding that humans, animals, and other machines have feelings, intentions, and thoughts that affect their behavior. Currently, we are still conducting extensive research in this area. While some AIs can simulate human interaction, none possess the true emotional understanding required for theory of mind. The final and purely hypothetical type is self-awareness AI. This is the stuff of science fiction. Self-aware A. I would not only understand the world around it, but also understand its own existence, capabilities, and consciousness. The creation of a truly self-aware entity presents massive ethical and philosophical questions that researchers are already contemplating. So, those are the 4 types: reactive, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-awareness. Now for a challenge. Where does a modern virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa fit into these categories? Take a moment to think. If you guessed limited memory AI, you're on the right track. They use past context for current interactions. Thanks for joining us.